Y'all want this party started, right? Y'all want this party started quickly, right? Play that beat, 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 play that beat. Go, 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 here we go. We got into the jail. The party's back and the rap sex is more dangerous than drugs or violence. To the military industrial complex, cause spontaneous peace, love, and happiness could break out. VIP, please RSVP at the back door. Come in, slide through the dance floor. You pay the price to get real high. Get on the mic, you get raw. It's on the mic, be the law. Everybody dance to the new industrial, technological rock and roll, soul to soul. Now bring it on down from the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom. I got Ghostbusters. People all around, they jump. They think they're here. Jump, jump. They shake the jam jar and tip the ball. So loosen your body and lose control. Yo, yo, let's rock and roll. Here we go, here we go. Let's rock and roll. Play that beat, rock and roll. Bang, 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 bang. We're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna move your soul. We're gonna make you groove. Everybody move, yeah. Right away you dance to the club disco or rap. Come on, roll with hard hip hop rock. No hands on the circuit clock. Scream, go, go, go. Move it, groove it. Roll, we're glowing, flowing, yo. It's beat transforms into a new form. Break the norm. Get 'em all up in this war. BB King, the Bo Diddley, and Sullivan on the TV screen. From the Beatles to the Jackson 5, the Who, the Doors, the Rolling Stones, and even I am too legit to quit. Those who dissed me back in the day, do I amaze? Let's rock and roll. So DJs play that rock and roll. The SCOD Music Factory is mastery, and full jams that have to be pumped till your ears get sore. Live from the river and blast the seashore. Party people if you're having a good time and singing along to my rhyme. This goes out to the young and to the old. Let's rock and roll. So DJs play that rock and roll. The SCOD Music Factory is mastery, and full jams that have to be pumped till your ears get sore. Live from the river and blast the seashore. Party people if you're having a good time and singing along to my rhyme. This goes out to the young and to the old. Let's rock and roll. So DJs play that rock and roll. Let's rock and roll.